Hello once again. Here we're talking about the second book in the line of force physics. This time we're talking about weight therapy. Kev Theory Force Physics on Weight Therapy. This book tells us a lot you want to know today about your weight and what you can do to slow things down or speed things up. This book really gives you good insight on how to use force physics, water science, gravity, and all the forces of life to your advantage. The book comes with a lot of information, and it's actually new science, untouched, and a surprise to anyone that reads on it. The book goes on to define life, define the digestive system, and define what makes up speeding things up and speeding things down, what it means to keep things regulated, and how to take advantage of force physics itself and nothing else but force physics. And it covers all branches of living science. This second edition, which came out last year, is quite interesting. And let's get started. DCI therapy, and as it applies to the human body. We all know we need to eat food, and here in the first chapter we talk about what to eat, how to eat, and what constitutes good eating practice. It also tells us about the position we eat and the position in reference to pressure in the body and controlling our thoughts and mind, and what we eat and what we drink. We either eat or drink. Both gives us the feeling of satisfaction we need, and the fascination about what we eat. Both are of key importance to our body. And what also matters is the position we do these things and how we do them, and how water science can tell us what to do. The digestive system is made up of many sections, like the stomach, the large intestine, the small intestine. Water science can give us an idea on the location and movement of these pathologies. In water science, we discover that everything could either be aerodynamic or land dynamic. And water science tells us why things flow, the manner in which they flow, the digestive system and the respiratory system, or even the renal system, all flow in manners water science can explain. Water science simply means tallying the different logics. Things could either be aerodynamic or land dynamic. All gives us values that are different, and we can learn what to do in relation to what we and how we eat. If we eat right, all will be right. So this second edition, titled Water Physics, Weight Therapy, will show all these outlines, the differences, telling us what motion can do to enhance each of them, and telling us the effect of rotation on the body, the kinetic force field, the vector forces, all the pulls from rotation, and how you can best channel them to the digestive system. Some of these force physics will be discussed, with the main ones being Coriolis force and vector force. You can see here the colon of the digestive system, is affected by coriolis force. It moves counterclockwise, just as water would move from a water basin, a hurricane, or all those physics on Earth. They all turn counterclockwise, and we can see how best to use them, the position we can assess and attain if we position our bodies in the right direction. We can also see what positions due north or due south we can lay on whilst we sleep or rest. How the vectors can either resist or improve, speeding things up. The continuity from north or south are also shown, and the vector force results also outlisted. We can also find out how to control our manners, the mannerisms when we eat. Much more can be found in other tablets.
Yes, there is more to these books, and it's written by E.A. Anakwe, and it helps us on how to weight loss and some other stuff that we can learn. This is just a tip of the iceberg. To get more information, kindly click on the link of the Facebook page below and the link or that link in order to get more information about this book. Thank you so much for your time. Stay good.